My name is Grayson Blythe, and I did my adolescent wellness project on the Lean Teen program, which is based in Charlotte, North Carolina. So what is the Lean Teen program? This program is a program that provides children with three key things, which is nutrition, support, and exercise. The nutrition is just teaching kids the right foods to eat and the right diets to follow in order to sustain a healthy lifestyle. The support is coaches kind of giving the children support and guidance on setting goals and following meal plans and exercise plans. And then exercise is keeping the children active and giving them kind of a basis on what kind of guidelines to follow and what kind of exercises to do. The Lean Teen program accepts children from ages 8 to 18, and the Lean Teen program's motto is kind of stated as, by making small changes to your health and fitness, our proven program will help you improve your grades, the way you look and feel, and your ability to overcome any obstacles that stand in your way. So this kind of shows that the program focuses on more than just those three things. They also kind of focus on improving in school and just overall the well-being of the children and how they look and feel. So one of the first things that will go on in the process will be personalized consultation. So basically what this is coaches will provide one-on-one support to the children and get a feeling of what the kids like to eat, how they can improve their diet, and basically make choices for the children when it comes to nutrition and exercise, and get a plan set up that will be most suited for each child. Each child's coach will also keep track of their monthly progress and offer expert advice that will help them to make better food choices. So basically the coaches will be with you the whole way and provide step-by-step details on what you need to do in order to achieve your goals. Another thing that they offer is group meetings, and these group meetings are with the kids and the coaches, and it allows them to interact and learn about each other's goals. So these group meetings are a good way for the kids to meet up, learn about what each other are doing, and kind of make friends that way, but also kind of raise the bar higher, set goals based on other people's goals, and kind of push each other to achieve those goals. And then the third thing that's offered is the exercise classes. These classes are an hour long, and they include 30 minutes of exercise and 30 minutes of group support to help you stay physically and mentally in shape. So obviously they offer the exercise for 30 minutes, which gets the kids moving, gets them learning exercises that can help them stay in shape, but also the group support is much needed because you got to keep the kids focused and on track for their goals. These exercises typically focus on cardio, but they also have other exercises that are based around each child's needs. So each child may need a different exercise from another child, so the coaches make sure to provide different exercises for each need. So a little more information on the Lean Teen program. They're based in Charlotte, like I said before, on 3220 Prosperity Church Road. Their opening and closing hours, they're open Monday through Thursday, 3 p.m. to 8 p.m., Friday, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m., and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. This is currently their only location, but they're looking to open up more locations in the surrounding areas and surrounding states. I think it's very important that they expand because this program is really beneficial to child nutrition and child health, and it's a good way to have them do something after school. Like their hours are from 3 to 8, so children can get done with school and then go straight here, get some exercise in, get a good meal plan, and kind of base their nutrition and health off of what they learn in the Lean Teen program. So yeah, that's what I did my adolescent project on.